Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are visiting Lower Duden waterfalls in Antalya. Right now we are in taxi and very close to Duden Park. Now we are going towards Duden Park. In last video I showed you about Upper Duden waterfalls, and today we are at Lower Duden waterfall. Lower Duden waterfall is located within Duden Park. As you can see, the surrounding area is Duden Park. This waterfall is open to the visitor every day and is free of cost. There is no entry fee. We reached to the spot of waterfall, as you can see. So amazing. Lower Duden waterfalls located on the cliff edge. Duden River water in the form of waterfalls directly flows in the Mediterranean Sea. It is one of the natural wonder and has become symbol of Antalya. It is possible to see it from above and from down, and you can join boat tour to see it from down. This waterfall is famous for its dramatic 40-meter drop from rock into the sea. Stunning natural beauty of Duden waterfalls make it popular point for tourists and local residents for picnic, photography and enjoy the surroundings. This Duden waterfall is a powerful water attraction to see from sidewalk. If you are looking for an amazing walk to enjoy the unique landscape of Antalya, this place is one of the best natural shows to see in the city. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.
But don't sit down.
The wide green area surrounding with cafe, restaurants, stunning landscape is resting place for locals and tourists. I want to show you the Duden stream that falls in the sea as waterfall. As you can see the bridge over the stream, and we go to the other side to show you the water flow. We are walking along the Duden River stream. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed this beautiful place.